wind up to about 70 miles an hour in Liverpool Bay. Mind you, if you thought today was bad, just have a look at what's going to happen next week. But at the moment, we're in a run of quite stiff west and northwesterly winds. Another frontal system coming in to bring us some outbreaks of rain tomorrow. That moves out of the way, and then we have a really deep area of low pressure that's going to move slap bang across the country and bring some very wet and windy weather around the middle of the week. Of course, it's a long way off. Things could go wrong, but at least it's an indication that it's going to stay quite cool and unsettled for some considerable time. Now, at the moment, the cloud's fairly well broken over Southern Ireland and some other western parts of the country, so some sunshine to end the day there, but a fair amount of cloud just about everywhere else, although there will be some holes in the cloud, a little bit of brightness and one or two breaks lasting overnight. But thickening cloud again coming into many western parts as the night goes along, bringing outbreaks of rain into much of Scotland and these Wales and western parts of England by the end of the night. And a fairly chilly night, lowest temperatures in the range 8 to 10 degrees. Tomorrow there's a hint perhaps of a little brightness to begin with in extreme southeast, but basically a fair amount of cloud. We already have those outbreaks of rain in western parts. They're going to be moving across the country during the course of the day, eventually allowing somewhat brighter weather to follow along behind. But as that brighter weather comes along, so there will be a scattering of showers. Few if any showers, I think, in eastern parts, central parts, but one or two quite heavy showers eventually showing up in Northern Ireland and that southwestern corner of Scotland. The north reluctant to get rid of the more persisting. Quite a breezy day again tomorrow, not as strong the winds as today, but strong enough, I think, to take the top off the temperature and, if anything, make it feel rather on the cool side. So not particularly brilliant temperatures anywhere tomorrow, around about 17 degrees or so. One or two more favoured spots may well find the temperature just about tips up to 18 or 19 degrees as the sun pops out later on in the day. For the match tomorrow evening, there could be a spot or two of rain as the crowds gather, but from kick-off onwards it should be dry and bright. A very good evening.